All right, I'm in front of this property here in San Antonio, Texas. It's a reverse mortgage. It's vacant. Obviously, the borrower's deceased. I was able to get into it because one of the doors is unlocked. You can see, kind of like that. Roof looks a little old. There's a nice little neighborhood right in the edge of Leon Valley in San Antonio. See the side here. Let's go into it. Ceramic tiles. Needs carpet, obviously, but this is the living room kitchen. Vaulted ceilings. Popcorn. Gas fireplace. Small kitchen. I'm not sure. Oh, it's vent. It's because it's got vents. That must be where the HVAC is located. Utility room. Garage. Not so much stuff. Old washer dryer. Let's see. Anybody in here? That looks pretty normal. There's the HVAC that goes over there. Back into it here. The door goes outside. Let's go to the bedrooms. It's all the way to the front. Could use a good coat of paint, scraping, some TLC. Hall closet. This is bedroom number one. The doors are taken off there. Looks okay. It's an interesting door, clear door there. Maybe use an office, I don't know. We go into the hall bathroom. I haven't seen those for a while. You know, it's been kind of a normal bathroom. This is going to be bedroom number two. Ceiling looks pretty good. Popcorn ceiling. You've got some trim fading away there. It's not too bad. But I guess this is the master. Based on there, maybe it's, I don't know. Let's see, a second. This goes into here. It's kind of a near interesting walk-through, kind of like an office bedroom. Got a window replaced there. I guess this is the closet, but they converted this to something else, like a background or something like that. Maybe it's the, well, it's kind of interesting. It's textured wallpaper. Interesting. Then you have kind of a storage there. This is actually the master suite then, obviously. Once again, double vanities. Kind of a decent walk-in closet. Toilet, winterized. You got ceramic tile in here. Okay. And then you got a little shower toilet with, I guess, a little bench in there. And then this is more closet space or storage space. Once again, you've got these light fixtures across the top there. And this takes us back into here. So this is 1, 2, free. So really 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Got ceramic flooring here in the kitchen breakfast area. And if we go outside, this attachment here. I almost pull it down. It's a lot of work. It's rotted wood there. You've got an outside deck over here too. Needs to be replaced. I mean, it's original, and then I don't know if this is this was covering deck space. This is the car park, or what is this? I guess this is not the garage, but an extra spot out here for a building they had, I guess. This is a storage shed. Oh, yeah. The skylight broken in over here. You can kind of see how the back patio there, I mean, I guess you could replace that pretty easy. Deck's treated pine, so maybe you just get to replace it with the steps. HVAC looks good. Roof looks better on this side. This is the side of the house. That gate opens up and goes out. A good sized backyard though. Yeah. There you go.